If America really wants to regain its leadership position in science and technology, what we have to regain is the hearts and minds of a generation of kids.
But when I hang around First Kids, I'm really optimistic because they're willing to think hard, work hard, and help one another. If we can just spread that feeling, we got a chance.
How about this? The first ever FIRST Robotics Regional Competition in the state of Arkansas.
It's like a sporting event.
So this is like WWF wrestling for smart people.
If you're interested in engineering, this is the place to be.
You know, the innovation you see at FIRST is truly quite amazing.
To go from nothing to a robot that can shoot frisbees and climb pyramids in 6 weeks is pretty remarkable.
The kids are given a job too big, a time too short, a budget too small, and a team too large. Introduction to real life.
The things that they're learning there are many of the things that are being used in the industry today.
Friction and gravity and metal fatigue.
They're learning budgeting. They're learning how to market. They're learning how to draft, do CAD.
They're learning how to put their heads together and solve problems.
FIRST allows students to get with professionals so they can see what it's like to be an engineer.
FIRST has definitely changed my whole career goal completely.
At first I wanted to be like a chef or a cop, but then I joined this and now I'm full-on mechanical engineer. That's where I'm going.
It's just as exciting as the sports and everything you see on TV. You can go to work every day and be excited about what you're doing.
This is another mechanism to get them and to show them what's out there.
It has a tremendous impact upon the students in the state of Arkansas being able to come and compete and be involved with this type of activity and increase the exposure to the STEM fields.
So when FIRST got introduced to me, I was put on the programming team, and ever since then I loved it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I applied at University of Arkansas, got accepted to the engineering department.
Places that don't yet have FIRST probably need them more than anybody else. Arkansas is now exploding into FIRST existence.
And up until 3 years ago, we just had one team. Last year, we have 17 teams.
It tells you that the opportunity was here.
And we hope that this really is a stepping stone and make Arkansas, put this on the map as a place where science and engineering is taken very seriously.
The goal of FIRST is to change the culture of the United States. We are not an educational institution. We are a cultural change agent.
But it's just like anything else, it requires resources to support.
Maybe next year we can go out and get some sponsors and get more money to work on our robot with.
We're still in a very small percentage of all the schools in the country. And frankly, most of those kids deserve an opportunity to be on one of these teams.
Kids should have this opportunity over having even a new set of textbooks next year, because I see what they learn and how they learn.
FIRST transforms education in a way that the school systems don't seem to be able to.
It is very fun work with solving problems, making innovations, learning how to put things together that will better our communities, our lives, our country, our schools, every area of our lives.
And we want these kids to be inventing the next iPhone and the next computer. Knowing how to use somebody else's technology is wonderful. Knowing how to take it to the next level and develop the next new technology is what we're working for with these students.
How can we get people ready to open doors themselves, to walk through them, and to ultimately provide them with opportunities in their life that hopefully they wouldn't have had otherwise?
I mean, FIRST has literally just changed my life. It's not like an after-school activity, it's a life-changing experience.
I skipped my senior prom to be here. It's been worth it. The experience has just been so amazing. So amazing.